Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a short trouser with elastic. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. I started by marking out 2 inches for the elastic. I used my ruler to draw out a line across. From the line I drew, I marked 8 inches for the hip line. For the crotch line, I marked 10 inches. I repeated the same process at the other side so that the line will be straight. Then I used my ruler to draw a straight line across. On the waistline, I marked my hip measurement, which is 44 inches divided by 4. That gives me 11 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. This is because I am using elastic on the waistline. On the hip line, I marked my hip measurement, which is 11 inches plus 1 inch allowance. I used my ruler to draw a straight line to the crotch line. To get my crotch curve, I divided my hip measurement by 20, which gives me 2.2. Then I marked. Note that I marked from the vertical line. To get an accurate curve, you can mark 1 inch gap from the vertical line, then you curve. My lap measurement is 28 inches. I divided 28 inches by 2, which gives me 14 inches, plus 1 inch allowance. Then I marked. Now I looked for the midpoint, which is 7.5. Then I marked. I used my ruler to draw a straight line. My knee measurement is 19 inches. I divided 19 inches by 2, which gives me 9.5. Then I marked 4.75 on both sides to give me 9.5. I marked 0.5 inch on both sides for seam allowance. Then I used my curve to connect the points together, just as I'm doing in the video. Then I use my scissors to cut out the marked line, just as I'm doing in the video. I folded the material and placed this piece on it. Then I marked 1 inch from the vertical line. At the top of the trouser, I marked 2 inches. Then I went up by 1.5 inches. This is to accommodate the butt size. From the mark point, I measured 4.4, which is my hip measurement divided by 10, which gives me 4.4 inches. From the marked line, I measured 11 inches, which is the hip measurement, plus 1 inch allowance. Then I used my ruler to draw a line across. Then I marked 0.5 inches at the knee line. You can use 1 inch depending on what you want. This is to accommodate the butt size at the back. I also measure 0.5 inches at the other side. Then I use my ruler to connect the points together. Now I remove the front piece and connected the line for the back, just as I'm doing in the video. I arrange back the front piece properly. I marked 1 inch from the crotch line. Then I connected with ruler to the knee line. Then from the waistline to the crotch line, just as I'm doing in the video. I use my scissors to cut out the marked line. So this is the back and the front piece. Now I'll go to my sewing machine and sew the side for the front and the back piece. Now I'll go to my sewing machine and sew the downside and also the side of the trouser. After doing that, I'll sew the hem of the trouser. Now I place the elastic and folded the waistline, just as I'm doing in the video. This is the result, a short trouser with elastic waistband. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.